first thing all of you guys are gonna do, I'm gonna give everyone a little baggie of numbers. You're gonna, kind of as quick as you can, lay them out in front of you in order from least to greatest. Numbers 0 through 9. I'm gonna kind of drop some, kind of just pass them around, so everyone around you has a baggie of numbers. Anyone else still need some numbers?
2 more.
If there's extra baggies, you can just leave the extra baggies next to you. Does anyone not have numbers? Look at you guys going. I want you to picture it like a number line. Where would your 0 go on a number line? And just in one row across. So let's not stack them 2 rows, just do 1 row all the way across. It's gonna be easier for you to see your numbers if they're just 1 row. Oh, buddy, you have 2 sets of numbers in your bag. I'm not sure, you only need to do 1 set. And you can just hand me the extra set. Thank you. That was a little confusing. Okay, perfect. So just like a normal number talks, you guys are gonna be using your own brain, your own answers in your own heart, okay? But this time, when I ask you the question, you're gonna find the answer with your numbers and you're gonna hold it up for me to see, okay? So, my first question for you is, show me the answer to 7 times 2. So pick up the 2 numbers, hold them up in order so I can see it. Perfect. Oh, good. Some of y'all are catching that. Try to look at it so that you're showing it to me the way the number would look. Right? 14. Good job, guys. Now, put them back in place so you know where to grab them. So whenever we finish one question, you'll just put them right back in place. Okay, listen to this one. It has a couple of steps. 1 less than 8 times 11. 1 less than 8 times 11. 1 less than 8 times 11.
Make sure you're holding it the correct way. Up, 7.
Turn it around and face you. Good job. That had 2 steps, didn't it? Okay, how about this? 7 times itself. 7 times itself. So think about what that would mean. Turn them face you. So think about, what does itself mean? Everyone think about that a minute. Turn and face your partner and say, what does itself mean?
7.
Right, it's the same number. Right, so that's 7 times 7. There you go. Turn them around and look at them. Okay, listen to this one. Put them back down. 8 times the number that is 1 greater than 7. 8 times the number that is 1 greater than 7. Okay, let's break that down. What is 1 greater than 7? Everyone think in your brain? Hold that number in your brain. Now whisper, what is 1 greater than 7?
8.
Very Very good. So what would be 8 times 1 greater than 7, or 8 times 8? What numbers will we show? Okay, put them back. What is 1 less than 6 times 7? 1 less than 6 times 7. 2 steps there again. I see some of y'all, you're more than welcome to use your tools on the wall.
Teachers, the library will be closed this morning due to STAR testing, so please do not send any more students. Thank you.
So I want you to think about, what was the first step I did on that one? 1 less than 6 times 7. Everyone think about, what's the first step you have to do? Whisper to your shoulder partner, what's the first step on that one? I heard most of y'all say that 6 times 7 is your first step, which would be, okay, and then 1 less than that is?
41.
Great. Okay, there's a hard one. 3 less than 10 ones times 10.
I'll put
3 less than 10 ones. What is 10 ones? 10, right, times 10.
100.
Right, that's great. You guys are doing a great job showing them to me the right direction now. Great. Okay, we're gonna switch gears a little bit. This is gonna take some real mental math. What is half of 94? Half of 94. What am I really asking you to do when I say half of? Think about that a minute. Everyone think in your brain. What am I asking you to do when I say half of? There's a certain thing you do when I say half of. Yes. Divide by 2. Right, okay? So half of 94 is divide 94 by 2, which is really hard mentally. Okay. 11 times 7. 11 times 7. What did you just do there? You just did something with that number. Why can't y'all show me the answer to this one?
Because it needs
2 sevens and you only have 1. So if I ask you a question like that, you are exactly right. You show me that it's 2 sevens by hop it. 7 7 7 7. Good job. You figured that out without me having to tell you. Instantly knew that. Awesome. Okay. Listen to this. An even number between 66 and 70. An even number between 66 and 70. Even number between 66 and 70. Odd number between 93 and 99. 97. An odd number between 93 and 97. Odd number, good job. I'm trying to face you to see. Okay, now I think this is gonna be the hardest one, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stump y'all. I have not really stumped y'all yet. A multiple of 8, so we're gonna think about what does that mean a minute. A multiple of 8 between 45 and 56. A multiple of 8 that is between 45 and 56. So think in your brain a minute. What does multiple of 8 mean? Think a minute. Share with your partner, what does multiple of 8 mean?
Sometimes they.
Okay, now think, if you don't know your multiples of 8, what's a tool we have in this room? Everyone point to the tool we have in this room if we don't know it. There we go. So I'm gonna repeat it again, so it's something times 8, okay? A multiple of 8 between 45 and 56. Great job, guys. Now, what I would like you to do is take any number greater than 7 and put back in your baggie. Any number greater than 7 and put back in your baggie. Any number greater than 7. So even, not just an 8, 9's greater than 7 too, right? Okay, I would like you to take anything equal or less than 5 and put it in your baggie. Equal or less than 5 and put it in your baggie. And good, so I see people putting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, because those are all less than 5. 5's equal to 5, and the rest are equal. So put 5, so we put, that was greater, and then less than 5. Equal to 5 or less than 5?
And she said equal or less than 5.
So right now, what numbers do we still have out? 6 and 7. If you have more numbers than that out, think about my clues again. Greater than 7. Do you have any numbers on the floor with you that are greater than 7? If you do, put them back in your bag. Now listen to my next clue. Equal to 5, so what number goes in your bag for that? 5, or less than 5. So that is all the other numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go in your baggie.